JBL BoomBox 2 not charging. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you some of the fixes that you can try in order to fix the JBL BoomBox 2 if it is not charging. So it could be as simple as a bad USB charging cable. So if you have other charging cables, give them a try. Be sure that the cable has the same type of connector as the original one that came with your product. Second thing what you can do is the same for the charger. If your product charges by USB, you can try a different one. You can try another electrical outlets at your location to be certain it is not a local wiring issue. You can try charging the product overnight for at least 8 hours. When you plug the charging cable into the speaker or the headphones, is the connector stable or can it be wiggled around? If it can wiggled, this could indicate that the charging port has been damaged or come loose. Sometimes wiggling the connection restores the charging power. Here is the important instruction that some products such as the Extreme 2 Boombox and some of these do not use the USB charging. Instead, they have a specialized charger, so do not attempt to charge these products with other cables or chargers. If none of the fixes work for you, it could be that the battery has died or is losing its capacity, or that the charging connectors on your speaker is damaged. Please contact us so we can assist you. Be sure to mention that you have tried the steps in the battery and the charging FAQ so that the agent do not ask you to repeat these steps. So if you are facing the problem, then what you need to do is you just have to try these fixes, and if these methods doesn't work for you, then the simple method is to directly contact with the JBL customer support team. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.